Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome to Computers World. So friends, today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions on English grammar. Earlier we had finished part 5 of this session, and today we are going to start part 6. And this series is very much useful for the upcoming OMC examinations. So let's start. And one request to all before we start, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, like it, share it, and press the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates. Thank you so much. Let's start. So the first question is in front of you: the action of looking within into one's own mind. Okay, so this is basically a one word substitution. I have already told you before. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option C, introspection. Okay, so introspection will be the right answer. The action of looking within into one's own mind. Okay, ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ବିଶ୍ଳେଷଣ କରିବା. So introspection means basically ଆତ୍ମ ବିଶ୍ଳେଷଣ. Okay, so ଆତ୍ମ ବିଶ୍ଳେଷଣ କରିବା. If we'll talk about the other options, first one is observation, you know it. Second one, examination. Option D, introvert. So what does it mean, introvert? So introvert means a person who prefers to be alone. Okay, so who prefers to be alone than with the people. Okay, so let's move to the question number 2. To confirm with the help of evidence. So here what will be the answer? Option A, corroborate. Option B, implicate. Option C, designate. And option D, that is extricate. So एठी आंसर कौन हेबो? So एठी आंसर हेबो option A. Okay, that is corroborate will be the right answer. Corroborate means समर्थन करिबा. Okay, with the help of to support with the help of evidence, that is called corroborate. Okay, if you will talk about the other options, option B, implicate. So what does it mean, implicate? Implicate means involvement. Okay, संश्लिष्ट हेबाको कहंती implicate. Designate means to name someone or somebody within a specific post, that is called designate. Extricate माने कौन? Implicate and extricate both are opposite words. So एटा होची संश्लिष्ट हेबा, एटा होची मुक्त हेबा. Okay, okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. One who is dabbler in art, science or literature. Okay, so question is dabbler. Dabbler means कौन? Dabbler means not deeply engaged in something or concerned in something. That means ऊपर ठाउरिया माने those who do not have any deep knowledge in something, but he is showing that. Okay, so एठी कौन कहा जिवो? So what will be the answer here? Option A, dilettante. Option B, aesthetic. Option C, maestro. And option D, connoisseur. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option A. Option A is the right answer. Dilettante is the right answer. If we'll talk about the other options, okay, so no, option B, that is aesthetic. So aesthetic means okay, so who one who loves, okay, and understands the art. Okay, art lover, basically aesthetic. If we will talk about option C, that is maestro. So maestro means one who has a gifted skill in music. Okay, music. Clear? Let us move to the next question, that is question number 4. The time between midnight and noon. Okay, so last connoisseur I left. Connoisseur means to have expertise in something, that means expert. Okay, that means you can say art, music, food, everything. Option 4, question 4, the time between midnight and noon. Okay, option A, afternoon. Option B, antipodes. Option C, anti-meridian. And option D, that is antenatal. So what will be the answer here? You know it very well. आमर मिडनाइट रु राति 12टा परठू नून पर्यंत कौन ताको कह जाए, आम एटा कहू तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एंटी मेरिडियन, एएम जोटा कहे. ओके, 12टा परठू देन राति 12टा पर्यंत आम ताको पोस्ट मेरिडियम, दैट इज पीएम. ओके, इफ विल टॉक अबाउट द अदर ऑप्शंस, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी, एंटीपोड्स. एंटीपोड्स मीन्स डायरेक्टली अपोजिट ऑफ समथिंग. ओके, ताको आम कहू एंटीपोड्स. गोटे जिनसर अपोजिट टाको आम जोटा सेटा कहते एंटीपोड. Antenatal. So what does it mean, antenatal? Okay, so antenatal means unpatriotic, one who doesn't have any love for his own country and who is against his own country, he is called anti-natal. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Still existing and known. Okay, so friends, these questions are very much important in the OMC point of view. Please do it, take it by heart. Okay, so question number 5, still existing and known. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, so it answer कौन होगा? Option A extent, option B extant, option C eternal, and option D eternal. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is extant. Okay, option B extant will be the right answer. Okay, so extant means existing or surviving. Okay, so what does it mean extent? Extent means, this extent, to that extent. So extent means the area covered by something. Okay, the specific area covered by something, that is called extent. Eternal, you know it very well. Okay, so existing, okay, or continuing forever, that means it will go forever, it has no beginning and no end, that is called eternal. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 6. Fear of height. Okay, so fear of height. So what will call the fear of height? Option A agoraphobia, option B hydrophobia, option C acrophobia, and option D, that is pyrophobia. So what will the answer here? So fear of height basically called, that is your acrophobia. Clear? So we call fear of height acrophobia. If we'll talk about the other option, option A agoraphobia means, what does it mean agoraphobia? So a person who fears of everything open or crowded place. Okay, so crowded place ko, he is afraid of the crowded place. Okay, open place man, he doesn't want to come out of the home, he is confined inside the home, and he is afraid of, okay, the crowded place or open place, that is called agoraphobia. Clear? If we'll talk about option B hydrophobia, so what does it mean hydrophobia? So hydrophobia means basically, who is fear of water. Okay, I mean basically dog bite जो hydrophobia गोटे disease हुए. So fear of water, it is viral disease. Hydrophobia. Option C acrophobia, I have already told you, fear of height. And option D, that is pyrophobia. What does it mean pyrophobia? Pyrophobia means fear of fire. Okay, so fear of fire is called pyrophobia. Fear of fire. Okay, move on to the next question, that is question number 7. Height, the highest point. You must have known this answer, the highest point. Okay, what will be the answer? Option A zenith, option B height, option C Jill, and option D, that is ridge. So here the answer will be, that is option A zenith. So zenith is the right answer. Okay, if you will talk about option C, that is Jill. Jill means that means enthusiastic, जोटा कहती enthusiasm, that Jill कहती. Okay, so move on to the next question, that is question number 8. Feeling inside you which tells you what is right and what is wrong. Okay, so निजे आम डिसाइड करवा कोटा ठीक कोटा भूल. ओके, ताको कौन कह? ऑप्शन ए क्लेवरनेस, ऑप्शन बी कॉन्साइंस, ऑप्शन सी कॉन्शियसनेस, एंड ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज फियर. सो ये आंसर कौन हम? So here the answer will be, that is option B conscience. Okay, so this is a feeling that let you know what is right and what is wrong. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 9. Release of a prisoner from jail on certain terms and condition. Okay, किछि टर्म और कंडीशन अच्छी जहाँ फल कि गोटे पर्सन जेल रिलीज हो पार, ताकू आम कौन कहे? दैट ऑप्शन ए पैरोल, ऑप्शन बी parle, option C, that is pardon, and option D, that is acquittal. So what is the answer here? So here the answer will be option A parole. Clear? So parole is the right answer. If we'll talk about the other options, option B parle. What does it mean parle? Parle means that is a discussion between two groups. Okay, on to solve a disagreement. Okay, disagreement को solve करने ପାଇଁ दीटा group मध्य discussion है, ताको parle कहा जाए. If we'll talk about pardon, you know that is forgive. Acquittal means to release from conviction, that is dosa mukti joda kanti taku acquittal kanti. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 10, loss of memory. Okay, option A ambrosia, option B amnesia, option C insomnia, and option D that is falsomia. So what is the answer here? So here the answer will be that is option B, amnesia. Loss of memory is called amnesia. If we'll talk about other option, ambrosia. What does it mean, ambrosia? Ambrosia means that is very pleasant taste or smell of a thing. Okay, ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଅମୃତ ବୋଲି କହୁଛେ generally. That is ambrosia. And option C, that insomnia means inability to sleep. Okay, ରାତିରେ ଶୋଇ ହେଉନି, ସେଟା insomnia disease. Clear? So move on to the next question, question number 11, to struggle helplessly. Oh, okay, so deep struggle. Option A flounder, option B founder, option C fumble, and option D that is finger. So what will the answer here? So here the answer will be that is option A. Okay, flounder will be the right answer. Flounder with the right answer. If you know the other options, founder, you know it. Fumble. So what does it mean, fumble? To become very nervous. Okay, to become nervous, that is fumble. थंगेकरी कहबा, थंगेकरी व्यवहार करबा, सेटा कहते फंबल. फिंगर, you know it. Move on to the next question, that is question number 12, one who tends to take hopeful view of life. Okay, so what do we call him? Magnet, creator, pacifist, and optimist. So what will the answer here? So here the answer will be that is option D, that is optimist. Okay, optimist man who takes everything in a positive way, that is called optimist, and who is hopeful. If we'll talk about other options, magnet. So magnet means kono? Magnet means man, a person who is rich and powerful, that is called magnet. Clear? Creator, you know. Pacifist, what is in pacifist? Pacifist means a person who loves, okay, peace. Okay, शांतिपूर्ण लोक जो मैंने शांतिवादी, से पासिफिस्ट बोली कहा जाए. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, बिलोंगिंग टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके, ताको हमें कौन कहा जाए? यू नो इट. सो इट इज कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल. ओके, क्लियर? मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, टू बी नोन फॉर बैड एक्ट्स. ओके, खराब काम पाई जे परिचित, समस्त पाखे जनाशुना, ताको कौन कहा जाए? फेमस, नोटोरियस, क्रिमिनल, टेररिस्ट. So what we call him is a notorious. Okay, option B, notorious, will be the right answer. If we'll talk about other option, criminal, terrorist, you know it very well. Move on to the next question, that is question number 15, words of similar meaning, ताको हमें कौन कहबा? Homonyms, pseudonyms, and antonyms, and synonyms. So what we'll call it? Okay, we call it synonym. Okay, similar meaning we call it synonym, opposite meaning call it antonym. Homonyms means having same sound, okay, same pronunciation but different in meaning, that is called homonyms. Clear? So pseudonyms means a fake name that is given by the writer or author, that is called pseudonym. Clear? That is not the actual name of a person or thing, that is named by the writer, that is called pseudonym. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 16, instrument to measure atmospheric pressure, you know it very well. So option A, metronom, compass, pedometer, and barometer. So what will the answer here? So here the answer will be that is option D, that is barometer. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 17, a speech delivered without previous preparation, ताको हमें कौन कहबा? Soliloquy, extempore, rhetoric, and expression. So what will we call it? So we call it that is extempore. Okay, so you know it, during school or college there must be a competition conducted, that is extempore speech. Okay, and you must have participated in that. Okay, so it कहते without previous preparation, say it subject दिया ଯିବ, you have to tell it from your own. Okay, that is called extempore. Clear? So rhetoric means that is to write or literature or something in ornamental languages, that is called rhetoric. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 18, one who pretends to be what he is not. जोटा नुहे सेटा को से pretend बा छलना करी कहबा, सेटा कहंती ऑप्शन ए crocodile, option B flatterer, option C hypocrite, option D that is counterfeiter. So what is the answer here? So here the answer will be that is option C, hypocrite. I have already told you in the previous session. Okay, those who have not viewed my previous session, please go to the playlist and you can find very important sessions on English grammar which is very much useful for the upcoming OMC examination. Okay, hypocrite, clear? Move on to the next question, that is if we'll talk about other options. Flatterer means जोटा जो चाटुदार जो तोषा मदकारी ताको आम फ्लाटरर बोली कही था. काउंटरफिटर मीन्स दैट इज टू इमिटेट समथिंग. ओके, गोटे को जाली करवा जाल नकल करवा से कहते काउंटरफिटर. क्लियर? मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. स्टडी ऑफ हेवनली बॉडीज. ओके, स्टडी ऑफ हेवनली बॉडीज दैट इज कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोनॉमी. क्लियर? दैट इज कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोनॉमी. Question number 19 and today's last question of this session. An official call to appear in a court of law. What do we call? Summon, notice, memorandum, petition. So we'll call it, that is summon. Okay. So this was all about today's session. One request to all before ending this session. Please subscribe my channel to encourage me. Like it, share it, and press the bell icon so that I'll get motivated to make more videos. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.